Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Samsung TV Plus channels. So first you're going to grab your remote here and then click on the home icon. Now once you click on the home icon, you're going to go to where it says Samsung TV Plus and then click on where it says channel list, which is this icon right over here. Now once you click on channel list, on the right hand side you're going to see a list of all the different channels that you have on your Samsung TV Plus account. Next, you're going to click on Edit Channels, which is this icon over here. And then from that, what we're trying to do is that we're actually trying to delete all of these Samsung TV Plus channels. So you can delete each channel individually by clicking on it and then clicking on Delete. But what we're going to do is click on Select All, and then we're going to click on Delete. So after you've gone ahead and deleted it, you're just going to click on Save and Exit. So now once you go back to your Samsung TV homepage, you'll see that Samsung TV Plus no longer appears as one of the icons or menus on your home page. But that is essentially how to disable Samsung TV Plus channels. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.